Good morning, students. We have finished 5 chapters from Reader. Today we are starting the 6th chapter, Wise Tenali Raman. Tenali Raman was a poet and also an advisor to the king, Sri Krishna Deva Raya. Not only a poet and an advisor, but also he is very good at solving problems or issues with his extraordinary intelligence. He is very skillful person. So let's start reading. Tenali Raman was a poet and an advisor to King Krishna Deva Raya. He was known for his amazing wit, humor and extraordinary intelligence. Read the story to find out which job Tenali Raman thinks is the most difficult and how he proves it to the king. So in this chapter we will know how Tenali Raman has solved a problem, and the question is, what is most difficult thing in the world? So that was the question. So let's see how Tenali Raman proved what is difficult or what was difficult. Once King Krishna Deva Raya asked his ministers a question. You are wise and learned men. Tell me what the most difficult job in the world is. So this question was asked by the king. And the question is, what was the most difficult job in the world? Your Majesty, everyone knows that the task of ruling the country is by far the most difficult job in the world. So one of the minister has answered that ruling the country is the most difficult thing in the world. King is happy with the answer but notices Tenali Raman smiling to himself. Why are you smiling? I can see you do not seem to agree with others. Why? So his king noticed that Tenali Raman was laughing at the answer. Then king asked why, the reason for his smile. Your Majesty, I agree that it is difficult to rule a country, but there is another job that is much more difficult. More difficult than ruling the country? We cannot believe this. How can there be anything at all which is more difficult than ruling the country? So the remaining ministers were asking Raman, so apart from ruling the country, what could be the most difficult task in this world? Tell us what that job is, Raman. A mother's job is the most difficult. It is much more difficult to keep a child happy than to look after a kingdom. So Raman answered that the job of a mother is the most difficult job in the world because she has to keep her children and also family happy. Can you prove it to the court, Raman? So king asked, can you prove it? Tenali Raman comes with a woman and a little boy to court. Ask the kind king whatever you want and he will give it to you. So Raman said to the little boy to ask whatever he wants and the king will give it. Then the boy answered, I want an elephant. Bring an elephant immediately. So the king ordered to bring the elephant. An elephant accompanied by a mahout is brought to court. Here mahout means the person who is in charge of the elephant or who looks after the elephant. We call the person as the mahout. Put him into my basket. I want to take him home. So the boy said that to keep the elephant in the basket, to take it home. He won't fit into your basket, son. He will come walking behind you when you go home. So mother, she explained that the elephant cannot be fit in the basket. He will walk behind you. I want him in my basket. My friends won't know that he is my elephant if I don't take him in the basket. So the child answers to his mother that if I don't put the elephant in the basket, his friends will not agree that this elephant belongs to him. The little boy started crying and refused to accept the explanation given to him. The king and his courtiers tried everything they could, but he sobbed and shrieked as though his heart would break. So this little boy started crying, and everybody tried to calm him down, but nobody could make him stop crying. Look, my son, here's a small elephant which is more beautiful than the big one. It is wearing a golden chain, and there is a golden umbrella sitting on top of it. It has wheels, so you can easily put it behind you wherever you go. You go to your friend's house every day. You can take him with you there. It will easily fit into your basket. So finally, mother convinced that she gave a small toy, the elephant toy, and she asked that to keep this toy with him, and he can take it anywhere, and it also fits in the basket. Take away the big elephant. I don't want him. If I put him in my basket will break. I cannot take him to my friend's house because he is too big. So the boy told the Mahaut to take the elephant back because it will not fit in the basket, and it will also break the basket, and is also too big. The Mahaut led the elephant away, and the little boy and his mother left the court happily. The whole court heaved a sigh of relief. Raman, I agree that a mother's job is certainly the most difficult in the world. So this is how Raman proved that a mother's job is the most difficult task in the world.